A to Z of bone tumors. Welcome to a video on precision surgery with 3D printed scapula implant surgery using augmented reality. Orthopedic oncology presents some of the most complex challenges in modern medicine, especially when tumors invade anatomically intricate and functionally vital structures like the scapula. Customized 3D printed titanium implants, crafted to restore not just structure, but function and quality of life. The journey toward personalized treatment begins with high-resolution CT scans. These images are transformed into DICOM data, allowing surgeons and engineers to visualize every contour of the tumor and surrounding bone. This critical data forms the blueprint for a highly accurate, patient-specific 3D model, paving the way for an implant that matches the patient's anatomy with exceptional precision. Now, technology meets surgical expertise through augmented reality. Using the Microsoft HoloLens, surgeons gain a three-dimensional holographic view of the patient's anatomy, right in front of their eyes. This advanced visualization allows for meticulous incision planning, ensuring that every cut, every adjustment is guided by precision, accuracy, and foresight, all in real time. With this digital blueprint, cutting-edge 3D printing technology comes into play. Engineers craft a custom titanium implant, an exact replica of the patient's scapula, down to the finest detail. During the procedure, augmented reality brings an entirely new dimension of control. CT and MRI images are superimposed directly onto the operative field, providing unparalleled clarity and real-time guidance. This reduces the risk of damaging critical structures, enhances the accuracy of tumor removal, and ensures that the implant fits with near-perfect alignment. What sets this implant apart? Its porous design mimics natural bone, encouraging biological integration, allowing tissue ingrowth, and ensuring long-term stability. The result? A durable, biomechanically sound solution that adapts to the patient's body like never before. A specialized mesh reconstructs the joint capsule, restoring shoulder stability and enabling smoother post-operative recovery. The result is not just a successful surgery, but a foundation for renewed movement and function. This groundbreaking combination of 3D printing and augmented reality is transforming orthopedic oncology, offering unprecedented precision, faster recovery times, and better long-term outcomes. For patients battling complex bone tumors, personalized implants are more than just a medical innovation, they're a new lease on life. Traditional surgical approaches often sacrifice mobility, leading to long-term disability. This revolutionary blend of 3D printing and augmented reality is redefining orthopedic oncology. Personalized implants mean better function, faster recovery, and improved quality of life for patients facing the toughest bone tumors. Together, we fight and win against cancer with innovation, precision, and compassion. Redefining possibilities, one patient at a time. Thanks from A to Z of bone tumors for watching this video, and we are looking forward to collaborations for innovations in orthopedic oncology.